Hey guys, it's Sophia here with Briggs & Stratton Associates. Today in our blog, we're talking about some 7 tips for homeowners to get their home ready for sale. As you know, the Victoria real estate market is hot, and as a seller, you only have about a week really to showcase your home. Things are selling in the first few days. So we just want to go over some points that you should do before getting your home on the market. My number one thing is to half pack up. As a seller, you're on your way out, you're moving somewhere else. It helps for you to half pack up as it's gonna make it a lot easier once you do sell your house, as well as declutter your house. You want your home to be about as half or a third less of what stuff you have probably in your house today. This helps a buyer when they're walking in so they can visualize their furniture in your home. Another thing too is paint. Paint goes a long way. You might love that red wall in the kitchen or that splash of color in the bathroom, but you really want to focus on neutrals. Neutrals help the buyer walking through and visualize their style in the house opposed to your style. You're moving, the home is going to be someone else's home, so let that buyer walk in and visualize what they need to visualize at your house. Now, the last thing, which is an obvious one, is a good deep clean. So that means you want to pressure wash that driveway, clean those windows, get down to those baseboards, give your house a good clean, because that's going to make a big difference when showcasing your house. So remember guys, read our blog, there's more tips there, and anytime you guys have questions, let us know. Have a good day.